Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will tell you that how to cancel the ticket to get full refund in Flydubai airline. First of all, you can check the detail of your ticket that I have paid some days ago. You can check the confirmation tab as well as the QR code and PNR of your ticket. Here you can see the detail of your ticket, Sultan to Dubai, along with date and time and other prescribed details. Here you can see each and everything that I have paid it some days ago. Now I want to cancel it to get full refund without any cancellation charges or tax. Here you can see everything, name of the passenger as well as the confirmation message that your booking is confirmed. In the next window you can see that how to make it cancel to get full refund. Here you should click on the request tab to get full refund. In the next window, proceed it to cancel the booking. Click on the tab here. Here you can see the total amount which will be refunded to your ID. Here you can click on the confirm changes tab and proceed it to get full refund. Here just wait for a bit and your amount will be deducted accordingly. Here you can see that your amount has been refunded successfully. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.